Fishing, hacking, two disciplines seemingly worlds apart. One involves battling the elements, the other the digital ether, yet both require a deep understanding of tools and techniques. Think of a fisherman's tackle box filled with lures, hooks and lines, each carefully chosen for a specific fish in a particular condition. Now, picture a hacker's toolkit, a collection of software, scripts and strategies, each designed for a specific purpose, ready to exploit vulnerabilities in the digital world. Just as a seasoned angler knows their gear, a skilled cybersecurity professional understands their tools. It's about more than just possessing them. It's about knowing when, where, and how to use them effectively. The wrong lure won't attract the right fish, and a misplaced exploit can send an alert, shutting down an entire operation. This is where the similarities become strikingly apparent. Both fields require patience, strategy, and a touch of cunning. The fisherman studies the water, the weather, the behavior of their prey. Similarly, the ethical hacker, or white hat hacker, analyzes systems, networks, and user behavior, looking for weaknesses to exploit, all with the goal of strengthening defenses. It's about outsmarting the adversary, whether it's a wily trout or a malicious piece of code. In fishing and hacking, choosing the right tool is paramount. Using a heavy-duty fishing rod for catching small freshwater fish is as ineffective as using a sophisticated network scanning tool to find vulnerabilities in a simple web application. A fisherman wouldn't use a large deep-sea fishing hook to catch a small trout. Similarly, a cybersecurity professional wouldn't use a high-powered penetration testing tool to probe a simple personal website. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each tool is crucial. Just as a fisherman needs to know the difference between a jig and a spinnerbait, a cybersecurity professional needs to be familiar with various tools for network analysis, vulnerability scanning, and exploit development. This knowledge allows them to select the most effective tool for the task at hand, ensuring optimal results. Selecting the right tool also involves considering the ethical implications. Just because a tool can be used for malicious purposes doesn't mean it should be. Ethical hackers, like responsible anglers, use their skills to protect and preserve, not to harm or exploit. They understand the potential impact of their actions and strive to use their knowledge for good. The digital world, much like the open ocean, is a dynamic and ever-changing environment. New technologies emerge, old ones evolve, and with them, new vulnerabilities appear. This constant state of flux requires both fishermen and hackers to be adaptable, constantly learning and refining their techniques. A fisherman might need to switch lures depending on the weather, clarity of the water, or the fish's feeding behavior. In the same way, a cybersecurity professional must adapt their strategies based on the specific systems they are analyzing, the latest attack vectors, and the evolving tactics of malicious actors. Adaptability is not just about switching tools, it's about having the mindset to learn new skills, embrace new technologies, and adjust strategies as needed. The ability to think critically and creatively is essential in both domains. A fisherman might need to improvise a new fishing rig on the fly. Similarly, a cybersecurity professional might need to develop a custom script or workaround to overcome a specific challenge. This ability to think outside the box, to adapt and overcome, is what separates the amateur from the expert.